Swagbucks has paid users rewards for completing online activities like surveys, shopping, and other tasks. But the real question is whether the time you spend is worth what you earn. By the end, you'll know how Swagbucks works, which features provide the most value, and whether it makes sense for your daily routine. Swagbucks is a rewards platform where users earn points called SB by completing different activities. These activities can include answering surveys, shopping through partner offers, watching certain content, searching the web, and completing other available tasks. The main advantage of Swagbucks is the variety of ways to earn. You are not limited to one activity, so you can choose options that fit your schedule. The downside is that not every task has the same value. Some activities take more time than others, and the rewards depend on what offers are available to you. Surveys are one of the most common ways people use Swagbucks, but they can require answering questions before qualifying. That means you may spend time checking whether a survey is a good match before earning a reward. Shopping offers work differently because they can provide rewards when you already plan to make a purchase. The best use case is buying something you needed anyway and receiving extra rewards for using the platform. Before deciding if Swagbucks is worth your time, look at 3 things. First, consider your goal. If you want a small amount of extra rewards during free time, Swagbucks may fit. If you are looking for a serious income source, a rewards app may not match that expectation. Second, track the time you spend. A task that takes several minutes for a small reward may not be worth repeating if it does not fit your priorities. Third, use the platform strategically. Focus on activities that match your normal habits instead of completing random tasks just to collect points. Swagbucks can be worth using for people who enjoy completing small online tasks and want occasional rewards from activities they already do. It may not be worth it for people who want fast earnings or guaranteed payments. The practical next step is to try a few different Swagbucks activities, track the time required, and decide whether the rewards justify continuing. If this helped you understand whether Swagbucks is worth your time, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and money-saving comparisons.